Hello folks, welcome to another Hoppy Hippie video. Today we're going to be opening up November's box of goodies from Beer 52 and see what we've got in it. So usually what we've got to start with there is Camitos nachos crisp spicy tikka masala. Vegan friendly, gluten friendly, free in cholesterol, non-GMO. We'll be reviewing trying them, and we've got Indulge corn, crunchy corn combo, sizzling spice flavour, vegan, nut free and gluten free as well. And a satisfyingly savoury mix, nibble sized corn snacks are perfect for any occasion. Let's see what beer we've got. So we've got a bottle here to start with, Schwarz ABK, Schwarz. 700 years of Bavarian brewing tradition and heritage. So let's check it in the magazine. Find a little more about it. There it is there. Right. Kaufbeuren, Germany, dark lager, 4.9 ABV. Dark soothing full-bodied beer, warm hints of dark chocolate and licorice with a balanced and bitter finish. Sounds good. That's the first one. Schwarz. Next one we have the White Hag Irish Brewing Company. And it's on the same page. Export Red Ale. Sligo Island style Red Ale, 5.8 ABV. A stronger, bigger brother to the Session Red Ale. This is a malty little monster with notes of raisins, dark fruits coming from the Meladonian malt, and slightly spicy and floral from the Mittelfrüh hops. 330ml can. The White Hag. Next, the Wild Beer Company, Peel Breaker Grapefruit Session IPA. Sounds nice. Let's see what it says about it in the book. If it's in it, sometimes it isn't in it actually. There we go. There's your spider graph there as well. So, Peel Breaker Session IPA, 4.7 ABV. Peel Breaker is a sessionable yet bold grapefruit IPA with a lean and crisp body. By blending fresh Simcoe and Mosaic hops with the zesty grapefruit juice, we get a perfectly balanced and refreshing beer. Sounds really nice, that one. Looking forward to having a taste of that. Where was it made again? Somerset, England. Let's get on to the next one. And it's Rubus Cubus Raspberry Stout. Let's see what it says in the book about this. Rubus Cubus, tooth and claw. Harlequin, England. Style raspberry stout, 5% ABV. Tasting notes. With a rich stout base, Rubus Cubus is brewed using a combination of malts, oats and wheat, with the addition of both raspberry puree and molasses to give initial tart flavour and lovely treacle finish. Sounds really good. Malty sweet mouthfeel, sour and fruity, so it's... Pause that for a read. Okay, on to the next one. Trappist Block beer. It's Tilburg, Netherlands. The only Trappist Blanc ale in the world. Chestnut coloured with a beige head, the characteristic aromas of roasted malt, coffee and nuts are clearly present. This unique seasonal ale has dry, smoked and herbal flavour, a vigorous bitterness which fuses amazingly with licorice undertone, a bittersweet, long-lasting, dry aftertaste of roast coffee. Sounds superb. A la Trappe. Can't wait to get my jaws around that. Next, Steaglekeller Biozickel. And do we have this in the book? We certainly do. Salzburg, Austria. Steaglekeller beer, 5.2, enjoy 8 degrees. Tasting notes. This unfiltered, naturally cloudy, organic Keller beer pulls mid-amber with large white head. Only organic Australian ingredients are used in this traditional beer, speciality from Salzburg. A fine ancient grain Laufner Land Weizen is added to the malt bill, which is grown and malted at the Steagle Farm, Wildshut. Floral hop aromas are followed by a velvety caramel character and a fine zesty bitterness to end. An absolute delight. Well, we'll be putting that to the test some point in the near future. Oh, a full can this time. Harlequin. A full size beer. Is it 440? 440 mils. It's a nice straight, nice. There it is there at the bottom. Thornbridge. Derbyshire, England. Style Imperial IPA, 7.4%. Enjoy at 5 to 8 Celsius. Light golden colour, Harlequin is brimming with intense pineapple, grapefruit, lemon zest and pine hop flavours. Get in my belly. Just get in there. Vocation Special Edition Bigfoot is next. Looks a bit like the mother-in-law there. They must have stole her out getting the shopping. Sneaked a picture. Vocation Bigfoot, where are we? Here we are there, West Yorkshire, England, Pale Ale, 5%, enjoy at 4 degrees, well that's marking a temperature. It's East Coast Pale Ale brewed using wheat oats to provide a smooth mouthfeel. This beer is hopped with 100% Simcoe, and it's, you see the scale there, it's 5/5, so that's, sounds nice. What's next? Spokane West Coast IPA. We always like a West Coast IPA in this channel. There we go. %, and tasting notes with a crisp, dry finish typical of Kirkstall's lead brewer Will Inman. Spokane first floods the senses with grapefruit zest pine with a touch of mandarin. The carbonation bursts into life on the tongue, lifting the pine, bitter orange and grapefruit with the malt keeping all checks and balances. So that's Spokane then, West Coast IPA. Prodigious IPA retaining delectable drinkability, gluten free. Spokane. Next we've got Old Brother Brewing, The Chancer. Quite a wild and wonderful art that is here. Wicklow Island American Pale Ale, 4.6. Bright fresh orange, grapefruit, citrus and delicate spice blend beautifully with tropical candy notes of watermelon, mango and pineapple. The Chancer is brewed on a light malt base of Irish Pale and Cara malt with just a gentle supporting bitterness. The deliciously bright hop notes shine through this very lively and satisfying APA style ale. Incidentally, it's the 12 pack I've got. Okay, next we have Blanc Super 8. And it's in a 330ml bottle. And Hacht, I reckon, is the brewery, is it? And it's from Boert Merbeek, Belgium. And it's a wheat beer. Super 8 Blanche is naturally cloudy, 5.1% wheat beer with a creamy head and a fresh aftertaste. The brewmasters have been particularly generous with herbs, a sturdy handful of fresh ground coriander, and orange zest ensures Super 8 Blanche is a spicy and piquant interpretation of the family wheat beer style. You can see it is rather floating and yeasty in there, so I'll be keeping that uptight in the fridge. And the next one here we have Deauville 666 Belgian Blonde. And Moortgat. There's a wee spider for you there. The web graph. So Belgian Blonde style, ABV 6.6. Tasting notes. Belgian Blonde Ale with re-fermentation in the bottle. Fully bodied blonde with a beautiful natural haziness, well balanced with fruity, soft finish. Lively, fruity aromas thanks to the use of orange zest and dry hopping. There is a big load of stuff at the bottom there, so one to be careful with, one to keep in the fridge. I think that's us came to the end of the bottle. That's the 12 pack. That is the 12 pack over. So this is what we've got this month of November's in the box. There's the magazine number 71, and that's it, folks. Join us sometime when we're opening these up and sample them. Thanks for watching. That's what you're getting in a 12 pack of beer this month from Beer 52. Catch you later.